FunBrain is the other web-based resource that I would like to talk about today. And as far as, here's just another easy to get to. It's free. My target area is my class. So I would favorite this on the bar on my favorites bar, and then I would be able to. So when my kids get into centers, they would be able just to pick that up and be able to navigate and independently and work on what I have assigned for that particular day. So this also for my SD standards, it would be as far as it falls under leader and 2L, 2B, and then I also have put 3C, 3B for those standards. I would like to go over the reading portion. I haven't been on FunBrain for a long time, so when I was researching, trying to find some different resources that were free and that were web-based, and then I saw that this was still up and running. So here is, we can go, there's lots of different grade levels, mostly just, this is geared for elementary, but I like it because you're able to differentiate because with the littler ones, their range of skills it varies. So I have some that might be reading on a second or third grade level, and then some that are just not quite there yet, and on a first grade level, and then also same with math skills. So this is able for me to give my students all what they need to be successful in the classroom and at home. Like I said in all my other entries, I like to be able to share anything that's free, and I feel like that would be helpful for my parents to use as a resource at home as they support their student. I like that there's books on here that kids can read. Their titles are ones that they would see in the library, so this gives them a chance, especially at home, if they don't have those book resources or able to get to the library, they could get on here and do some reading. So they just click on what I would assign them maybe for that center of the day, and then I can always do extra extensions onto that. So as you can see, there's just oodles of different stories and different levels. So, and then they just click on that and they would read independently. So then also there are some games for math and for grammar on here. There's different ones. So I like that there's a lot of different just different types, if it's ELA that you're looking for or math standards that you're wanting to touch on. But there is, going to the one, there was I like the games because sometimes just to get some of my boys more motivated, there's a lot of different ones. There's car games. I was going to show down here. There's some grammar ones that you can go to, and if you're just wanting to look up, they change from the different grades that this would be working for. So like if I would click on this, you click on what they want to be working on, addition, subtraction, it goes to division, so for the older students, and then choose the different levels, and then you would play ball. So that's very easy to use, and my kids, I'm anxious to get back and trying that again with them. So let me know what you think and your thoughts on this too. Thank you so much.